All right, good morning, everybody. It is Friday. You have made it through the entire week, your first week of distance learning. Nice job. Give yourselves a pat in the back and then get ready to do some foundations. All right, you guys ready? What you're going to need today, we're going to go over our sound cards like we've been going over. We are going to talk a little bit further about some new vowel teams that are on that poster we've been looking at, but we haven't talked about yet. That'll only take a minute. We'll talk quickly, and then we will go on to do a little bit of dictation like we did yesterday. So you guys, I've been getting some papers back. Some of you guys are doing a really nice job with the dictation. King, I saw yours. Abdul Halim, I've seen yours. I know I've seen a couple others too. I don't want to leave anybody out, but keep them coming. All right, keep writing them down. Keep focusing. I like that. I know that's at the end of the video, so I know you're watching the whole thing. Today, when we do our sound cards, we have a couple friends here that are going to help us out. All right, so I have a few guest teachers. So everybody say hi to James.
Hi.
Everybody say hi to Thomas.
Present.
Thomas and James are here. They're going to help us out. All right, so we ready to get started? And again, if you ever need a second, just pause the video, and you can go on and you can do what you got to do and come back to it. All right, so I'm going to point at some letters, and James and Thomas are going to read them for you. So be their echoes. All right, say it back to them. We'll give you a chance. Go ahead, James.
A. Apple. A. Q. Queen. Qu.
Good, James. I can't find the cursor. There it is.
E. Ed. E.
Good.
Itchy.
I, itch, I.
O. Octopus. Ooh.
No, okay, that one goes O, octopus, ah. Thomas?
U. Up.
Good. And let's do a couple tricky ones out here. My cursor doesn't want to help out today, so we'll just say it out loud.
Y. Yellow. Y.
Thomas?
X. Yeah. X. Fox. X.
Good. See, even fourth graders practice this all the time, too. James?
W. WH. Whistle. W. CK. Sock. CH. Chin. Ch.
Good. Now we're going to go over R-controlled vowels. All right, let's start on top. Thomas?
AR. Car. R. OR. Horn. Or.
Now remember, these next three all are spelled differently, but they all sound the same. Go ahead, Thomas.
IR. Bird.
Good. Then UR.
Burn.
All right, we're going a little fast. We're going to slow down. I'm going to do a couple more. So I think that might be the end for James and Thomas. Anything you want to share with the class?
Not present.
Anything you want to share with the class?
Have a nice day. Stay healthy. Peace.
All right, so now these are our vowel teams that we've been working on. We have AY, play, A. EA, eat, E. EY, key, E. There, now we got the cursor going. OY, boy, oi. So you see these, the OY and the OI. OI, coin, oi. So you see these two go together. The E, EA, EE, EA, EY all make the same sound. AI and AY make the same sound. But today I wanted to talk, before we move on to the dictation, I just wanted to talk quickly about the vowel teams that are down here, where OU, OO, UE, and EW. And we're going to go over these the same way we do all the other sounds. These are just new to us. So the first vowel team we're going to look at is OU. OU has the same sound as trout, or in soup. So it could actually make two different sounds. So in trout, so OU, trout, ow. Or it could sound like OU, soup, ooh. So those are a little tricky. Sometimes you might have to read the word out loud the wrong way to know that it has to be the right way. Like, can you think of any other words that have the ow sound in it? Like out or soup. Let's see what else has the ooh sound in it. Like chicken coop. Actually, that's OO. So see, it's tricky. I even got one wrong. The next vowel team we're going to see is the OO sound, like in school or like in book. So it's OO, school, ooh. And move on over here. We have UE. UE is another one that can make two different sounds. It has blue. So UE, blue, ooh. Or UE, rescue, you. That's a little tricky. And the last sound in this family is the EW, as in chew. So EW, chew, ooh. All right, let's try this from the beginning. So OU, trout, out. Now, if you're paying attention, did you hear my mistake? I know, I make mistakes too. OU, trout, ow. Good. OU, soup, ooh. And we have OO, school, ooh. UE, blue, you. UE, rescue, you. And last but not least, we have EW, chew, ooh. Those are a little tricky. They sound a lot alike. They're a little bit different. We'll practice them every day, just like we've been practicing these. And we will be comfortable with them in no time. These are our welded and glued sounds. They're going to be here for you if you want them. We're not going to go over them today, but maybe they'll come up in our dictation, which we're going to do right now. So hopefully you have a piece of paper ready. If you do not, you may go to get it right now. And I can't seem to find my paper that has them written down. I think one of my kids took it. So let's see. Let's see if I can remember what we did. First sound is going to be all. All. And the second sound is going to be ong. That's one of those glued sounds. Ong. That's in song or long. What are the letters that make the sound ong? For our current words, see if I can remember what they were. The first word is going to be, oh, sorry about that. First word is going to be smallest. Smallest. The second word is going to be folded. There you go. Give you a little head start there if you were paying attention. For our review word, number 1 is going to be click. Click. Our trick word for today, excuse me, is going to be please. Please. And finally, the sentence for today is Tom spilled his milk on the desk. Tom spilled his milk on the desk. Don't forget to use capital letters where you're supposed to and punctuation. Right, so that is our quick foundations lesson for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Monday we'll have some new stuff to put up on the website. Our math will be a little bit different. We will add some science in. You'll have to get some STEM and STEAM. Maybe one day next week we'll try and do some at-home experiments if I could find things that you can do with the stuff around the house, and give that a shot. But in the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day. Have fun. Make sure you get some work done. Make sure you sign the attendance sheet. All right, have some fun with your families. Stay healthy. Stay safe.